Morning guys, Ed here. This is my outlook on the dollar index for the 11th of July 2012. Now let's have a quick look at the weekly chart on the dollar index just to see what's happened so far this week. And as we've said in the past couple of days, we are in a level of resistance. We did try to push down. I would have liked this to push down a bit more. The current price action that is down to about 82.80 to 83 level, which it nearly hit, but it didn't really get there. So I would have liked that to happen. It didn't happen. Now we seem to be ready for another push up. We are in resistance, but it is still bullish price action. So it's basically being bullish in resistance. So gotta be careful with the dollar index. Now going down to the daily chart, we can see that again my two levels of resistance here. Horizontal resistance at 83.70, which hasn't been broken. It's actually a bit lower than that, 83.64, a few pips. But we have had a retracement. It hasn't been as much of a retracement as I wanted on the daily and the weekly chart. But as we'll see in a minute on the lower time frames, it actually just hit our zone. So we did get a little bit of a retracement, and now we're trying to poke through that resistance. Whether it happens today will be very interesting to see, but I will be looking for opportunities to long the dollar or to short the major currencies. On the other hand, we have stochastics inside the overbought area. They haven't turned yet. They could stay here. I mean, the stochastic cycle will take another 1 or 2 bars to start turning around. So not too worried about this at the moment. Moving down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that this zone that we drew at the beginning of this week, you can see it from yesterday's and the day before the videos. We did see a retracement just touching within this zone, and then immediately went back. I was looking to take the dollar long, but this was just a bit too aggressive, so I did miss the beginning of this trade. I did get into it a bit later. So on the 4-hour chart, we can see still a level of resistance here. It has held. I mean, it held yesterday. Let's just extend this until and see what happens until tomorrow. I am expecting a push up. I am expecting us to poke through this level today. I would like to see that. Otherwise, we'll just be in for another highly volatile and ranging day, which is not bad in itself. But if we are to continue this trend, today is the day for us to poke through. Let's see what happens. Stochastics on the 4-hour chart in at the moment in approaching oversold territory, overbought territory, sorry, and not really telling us too much at the moment. Let's move down to the hourly chart, and this is where I usually do my trade plans. Now this is what I would ideally like to see. I would like to see the dollar index popping down into the, so retesting this channel that was active until yesterday, popping down, retesting the channel trend line, and so this is between 83, about 83.20 to 83.35 level on the dollar index. Pop down, retest that, and boom, we go up. The way I measured this swing is just taking an average between these two swings and applying it to the next to what I'm anticipating to happen, what I would like to happen. I mean, no one knows whether it will, but if we were to poke through, this would be an ideal sort of setup to try and poke through this level. if we do get this set up and we are failing to break this, I would be looking to uh, jam my long position on the dollar, or shorts on the other pairs, on the major pairs, jam them, take some profit, and put them to break even. See what happens. So that is what I'm expecting on the US dollar for today. I would like that to happen. No one knows what will happen, but that's my plan for today. Thanks for listening, guys. I will see you later with the analysis for Euro and cable.